Hello friends, welcome to Learn Trading Tricks. Today I'm giving you the levels for tomorrow guys. Please note down the levels which I'm giving you here. Okay, before that please subscribe my YouTube channel whoever new in this video and click on the bell icon to get the notifications guys. Okay, let's see the levels for tomorrow guys. Guys, if you observe on yesterday's and today's levels. Okay, see here guys, yesterday what happened? It has closed almost 36,900, right? So on today also it it closed on the same level here. So it means like here it is a strong resistance level right here. See guys, it's taking almost two times here resistance level. After taking consolidation from 12 to 2 o'clock, so it has it not broken that level guys, right? It broken, but it's the candle has not opened above on this level guys. See here, right? So it became like a very strong resistance level guys. So on next day what will happen after taking this strong resistance level? So we can see a downfall guys. That's why I given to you a BTST put option for tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I'm expecting like a downtrend guys. So let's see what will happen on tomorrow. Now we will see the levels for tomorrow. Please note down the levels guys. It's a very important levels guys for tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Right. If it open tomorrow gap down guys, if it must break below this level guys. If it open tomorrow gap down, so it must to break this level guys, 36,750. If it breaks this level, then you can go for put side guys. Okay, we can see a downfall after. Sorry for the disturbance guys. Right. If it breaks below this 36,750, then you can go for put side guys. First target is 36,500, second target is 36,250 guys. Okay, please note it down. If it breaks below this 36,750, then you can go for put side guys. First target is 36,500, second target is 36,250 guys. Okay, and if you look upside, wait until breaking this 37,050 guys. Okay, if it open gap down, it must break this level guys, 37,050. Then only we can see a upside uptrend. 37,250 is the first target, and second target is 37,500 guys. Okay, first target is 37,250, second target is 37,500 guys. These are the two levels for tomorrow guys. Please keep in mind guys, after breaking these levels only you can take the position. Don't be hurry to taking the position. Okay, right. Again I'm repeating you the levels for tomorrow guys. Please note it down and work on these levels guys. If it breaks below this 36,750, then we can see a downfall. First target is 36,500, second target is 36,250 guys. Okay, not 350, it's a 250 is the second target. Okay, and call side, if it breaks above this 37,050 and above, then we can see a uptrend guys. First target is 37,250, second target is 37,500 guys. Okay, second target is call side for 37,500 is the second target for tomorrow guys. Okay, right. Let's see the tomorrow guys. Let's see tomorrow what will happen on this, whether this levels working or not. We'll see tomorrow guys. Okay, right. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day. and please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications, guys, and click on the like button and share to your